Okay, let's just be real. I wish my mornings were like this, but this is more like how it is. Good morning! Both kids are awake already? This is real life. I don't wake up before kids. I wake up when the kids wake up. Let's go. Every day I just stand and the kids sit. And we have to have music on, right? So we redid our living room a little bit, changed it up. We got some new Ikea furniture, and we made the basement like more of like another family room. So this room, ever since we've changed it up, it's staying clean, which if you're a mom, you know, it never happens. So we got this new table. If you know me, if you watched any of my videos in the past, we pretty much get everything as is. So we got this coffee table in the as is section, so it's like 40% off. This coffee table is the same color as our dining table, so I like that. I mean, it's really sunny right now, but we got these two lounge chairs, which are so comfortable. And I got a new plant from Costco. It's like apparently it's like a dwarf fiddle leaf tree or something like that. Like it's part of the fiddle leaf family. What are you doing? Are you rearranging mommy's decor? This is a really big risk, having nice decor with a little toddler. I'm actually testing him out and seeing if he's gonna touch this vase and this plant. What he's touching right now isn't real. Put it back there. Put it back. Yeah, put it back on the table. Good job. The dining room is not really clean because I'm doing a puzzle. This is what I was working on last night. I've been doing puzzles this winter in the evening when the kids go to sleep, and this is a 1,000 piece puzzle. So this is gonna take
it's 100
a while. So today is Saturday. I don't think I've ever vlogged on a Saturday, or it's like very rare for me to show my Saturdays. Saturdays are kind of like a home day usually, or taking a walk, enjoying the weather. Today is beautiful sunshine, but it's pretty chilly right now, so it's supposed to get a bit warmer later, so I don't know when we'll go outside. But on Saturdays, my husband usually works half day, so that we get to enjoy Daddy. Sometimes we do things with Daddy in the afternoon. It all depends. I will see what this day is. I just wanted to show a realistic day with us, what I do. This is mom life, you know, real mom life. I don't want to sugarcoat anything. This is how my life is. It can be chaotic, it can be messy, it can be, you know, tiring. If you're a mom and you're watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below how many kids you have. I got 2 boys. My least favorite thing is unloading the dishwasher. I just hate it. I like always wait for the last minute to do this. Well, because the dishwasher wasn't unloaded, the sink is full of dishes. How cool are these gloves? I just got them recently at the grocery store. I like them because they're like a brush. And I can like wash the dishes with my gloves. So this is what I left last night. We got like evening snacks left over on the couch. So yeah. Luke, are you gonna help me clean? Okay, I'm gonna vacuum right now. Just wanted to mention I cannot survive without this Dyson vacuum. It is the best purchase I've ever did as a mom. My last video I did was 10 things I cannot live without. So it'll be up in the iCards. If you haven't seen it, check it out. One of the things I cannot live without is my vacuum. Why you got socks?
Because
Anybody else have kids who have socks all over the place? We changed up Luca's room a little bit too, right, Luca?
yeah.
We changed it. We gave you a nice big rug. We
Yeah.
moved your bed a different place. What are you doing?
I just played my Lego.
It just looks like a big mess all over the place.
It's not a big mess.
Well, the Legos all over. You wanna help me? The biggest mystery of all is where are all the pairs? Like, okay, there's so many socks, and it's like the matching is always missing. It's really annoying. I don't understand like what happens to the socks. And these are like new socks. And it's like missing already. Like where did it go? Like how did this happen? Okay, so I usually don't clean on Saturdays, but I'm just cleaning up because I guess because I'm vlogging and I want my house to look nice and clean. I feel like when I am vlogging, I'm more motivated to clean and do like cleaning videos. So I hope you guys like watching like cleaning videos and it motivates you to clean. Because I just showed you my living room and Luca's room, I can show you guys, we actually got new furniture in our room and I'm so happy with it. Okay, so here is our room. So we decided to get white furniture and I feel like it just makes the room so much more brighter. Honestly, I regret buying black furniture. Don't buy black furniture or dark furniture. And you can always see dust in black furniture as well. So this bed is from Ikea. Funny thing, it's exactly like the same bed as Luca. It's just a really good price and we really liked how like a very stable bed. So we just got exactly the same one. And we have these night tables. And then I had this decor somewhere else in our room and I added it right on top. I feel like it looks so much more nicer having just a white. And then we just got the matching dresser. This is like one of the cheapest dressers, so I'm not like totally happy with it, but it's good enough for now. And here's my beautiful plants that are growing so nice. Okay. I haven't even finished my coffee yet. It's like not even half done. I don't know why, like I always get distracted and I never finish my coffee. Like if I don't sit and drink it right away, I'll forget about it. Let's go outside. Who wants to play outside? Let's go ride the scooter?
Yeah, I love scooter.
Okay, I'm gonna watch this.
Hey buddy, I'm so tired. I have a new scooter.
sunny outside. Snow is melting, but it's like all icy. But at least it's a beautiful blue sky. Stick! Stick! The sun is so warm on the face. Feels good. What are you gonna do? Hi! Hi! Are you getting yourself a seat? Oh, they like playing in the garden. Here you go. Lunchtime. Luca requested ramen.
What?
And James and me are having some pizza and celery. And I made my own dip with sour cream and onion soup mix. Look how James eats the pizza. He just takes all the toppings off. You're so dirty. You love that? You love Mr. Noodles? Has no nutrition. Here's some celery. Lick it. Good? Mm-hmm. That's good. Yummy! Yummy!
You like sour? You like sour?
Delicious.
Yum.
Yum, 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 yum. Can you say bye? Luca, can you...
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
James, say bye.
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 Bye, 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 bye.
Okay, we had such a good morning today. I am so happy I took my camera out because some days it's rough, and we've had several, like past week, my kids were sick. There's been just a lot of meltdowns, so I could not take the camera out. And I was really iffy to take my camera out today because I wasn't sure how the day's gonna be, but I'm so happy. We had so much fun. We did so much this morning. Honestly, when it is a beautiful sunny day, it just motivates me to get things done. Like yesterday was such a hard day. Didn't feel like doing anything because it was cloudy and cold. But today is such a beautiful sunny day, so it just makes me excited for spring. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed our morning, and I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and follow me along in my motherhood journey and my family. And I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.